In this video, I will share with you how to number rows in Microsoft Excel. Here, I have a table of employee names, and now I want to number the rows for this table. In case the table has a small amount of data, you can simply input the row numbers into each cell one by one. However, if your data is too large, follow these methods. The first method, start by inputting the first row number. Next, move your mouse to the bottom left corner of the cell you just entered. When the mouse pointer displays as a plus sign, click and hold the left mouse button while pressing and holding the Ctrl key, then drag it to the cell where you want the numbering to stop. If you have already entered the numbers like this, Excel will automatically recognize the pattern you want. You just need to click and hold the left mouse button, then drag it down to the desired cell. If you are numbering odd or even rows, Excel will automatically recognize and number accordingly. The second method I want to share with you is using functions in Excel to number the rows. In this video, I will demonstrate using the count function to number rows. Here are the steps. Select the cell where you want to start numbering rows, then type the following formula: if C7 equals, count as C7 C7. Fix the starting cell C7 by moving the cursor before C7 and pressing F4. This formula is also included in the video description below. Then select the cell you just entered, move the mouse to the bottom left corner, and drag it to the desired cell. With this method, you will only number rows that contain data based on the full name column. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below, or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.